Hi there, my name is Nicola, and if you have ever dreamed of playing the accordion, you are in the right place. Whether you have never touched an accordion before or feel overwhelmed just thinking about how to start, I'm here to tell you it's easier than you think. The accordion is one of the most unique and soulful instruments in the world, but for beginners it can seem intimidating. How do you play with both hands? How do you manage all those buttons? And most importantly, where do you even start? That's exactly why we created this beginner's accordion course. It's designed to take you from absolute beginner to confidently playing your first songs step by step. This course is built with you in mind. Every lesson is simple, clear and fun. Here are some of the things you will learn in this course. You'll learn everything from how to hold the accordion properly to playing your first notes and chords. Step by step, we'll build your skills so you can play songs you love with confidence. You'll learn proper finger techniques, bellows control and coordination to sound clear and professional. If you are new to reading music, there's no need to worry. Everything will be explained step by step in a simple and easy to understand way. And whether it's for family, friends or an audience, I'll help you perform without fear and truly enjoy sharing your music. No matter your current level, you'll be able to make steady progress and have fun along the way. When you join, you'll get an instant access to high-quality video lessons you can watch anytime, downloadable practice sheets and exercises, my personal tips to avoid common beginner's mistakes. Every day you wait is one less day you'll spend making music. Imagine yourself playing songs for your family, performing at a party, or just enjoy the incredible satisfaction of learning something new. Right now, we are offering this complete beginner's course at a special introductory price. Plus, you'll get a free trial lesson with me to help you get started. There's no risk and no pressure, just music and fun. Are you excited to start making music and playing the accordion? Click the button below to enroll in the beginner's accordion course today. Let's get started on your journey to becoming an accordionist. See you there.